guys, the day I've been waiting for is finally here. Today I am going to pick my running kit for the Nairobi Marathon happening on Sunday, and I want you guys to come along with me. These guys were very organized. It took us less than 5 minutes to get our kit. I love the organization. The first thing when you get here is you go pick your bib. You present your ticketing, and then they give you your bib. You use your bib to go pick your tote bag, which has your running t-shirt, some pins, and yeah, that was basically it. I am so excited. I can't say this enough, but I feel like what I've been working towards, it's finally here. I met up with my friend on the way, and it was such a fun time because we've been training together with her and a group of others, and it was really like a full circle moment for us to just come and collect our running kit for the marathon on Sunday. So the team is very organized. Again, they are fast, they are swift, and they know what they are doing. So there we go. Her bag is ready, and we'll just see what is in these bags. We quickly noticed that the t-shirts are really big because this one is supposed to be small. That's what she had registered to wear, but look at how big it is. We are so happy we opened them before we left because they are so big. So what we did, we tried them on, and we just wanted to make sure that the sizing is right because we couldn't believe what we were seeing. So she had to try it on, but we were also thinking, okay, maybe since we are still here, we can go change and just ask them if they can change the sizes for us. So this is small. Imagine me, I picked medium. So you can imagine how big the medium is. So luckily, the staff here were very kind. That's my bag, and I am just going to check mine because I was like, no, I can't leave here before checking mine. And we both agreed that medium is really going to be big on me considering the sizes that they used. So I quickly went back and asked them, and they were gracious enough to exchange for me for a small size, which I will show you guys how it fits because I was not able to fit it here, but I'm sure it's gonna be fine having looked at what my friend size was for small. So hers she exchanged for extra small, and these people were very kind and nice. Again, they were swift and fast, and yeah, there we go with my new size, small size, and I just gonna show you guys how it looks. And just like that, we have our kits ready. We confirmed the sizes, and we are happy, looking forward to the Sunday run. But on our way out, we noticed there was another stand for an upcoming marathon, and we said, let's just go inquire and ask what this is about. So we went. You guys allow someone to record?
Fine.
Okay.
In October. October 26. Register mapema umalizane nayo.
How much?
25.
For all races?
For all races. We have 5, 10, 21 and 42.
5, 10, 21
and 42.
No offer to run 21.
And this year we
October.
are closing early. So register mapema.
October 21. Okay.
Register mapema.
Stanchart inakuanga bado tu Nairobi.
Iko Nairobi bado. We always run on Southern Bypass. On Southern Bypass.
Okay.
Register mapema juu tutafunga mapema.
Register kitambo mmoja.
In October.
In October.
25.
Tuna register mapema.
So 25 mnapeana what and what?
There is a medal, there is a t-shirt, and a bag.
Oh, so the same to this guy.
It's the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I
But
think.
ours, is a world level series.
What does that mean?
It means that with this, you can be able to participate in other marathon, Berlin.
Okay. Okay. So I thank you for
Okay, so
the info. Tutashare kwa group. Sindio?
Hi guys, it's Saturday morning. I just woke up and I thought before I do my laundry, maybe I should show you guys what I got yesterday. I mean, you saw it. But yeah, I want to fit what is in my bag here, which is basically a running t-shirt, but I want to wear it with my shorts and show you guys how it looks like. So that's what I want to do today. People were complaining about the sizes. The sizes are too big. I chose medium size, but apparently when my friend opened hers, first looked really big. I was like, medium is gonna be extra large. So they allowed me to change to a small size, and I just want to fit it and see how it fits. This is the bag, a very nice tote bag that I'll be using a lot. And now let's get to I love the colors. I love the colors. The quality is not the best, but it will do for tomorrow. This is apparently small size. So you can imagine medium size, because this is what medium size would look like, but it's written small. So I don't know they were measuring using what, but yeah, let's fit it. I just wear it on top of my top. This is how it looks like. I don't know, let me wear the short and wear tomorrow. Yeah, this is me tomorrow. Then I have my bib. This is the bib that we'll be putting, I think, somewhere there. So what do you guys think of our t-shirt, our running t-shirt? Let me know in the comments section what you guys think about it. I am really excited to run my first marathon. Your girl is happy and looking forward to it. The timings of marathon, from what I saw, we have 42 kilometers full marathon. I think they start at 6:25 a.m. if I'm not wrong, or maybe 6. Then 21-kilometer half marathon start at 6:25. Then 10 kilometers us guys start at 8:25. I'll confirm the timings and write them on the description. Then there's 4 kilometers family run, which should start at 10 a.m. That's basically how the timings are gonna be. And during my live yesterday, I talked about this. I mean, I've been talking about this almost on my every live, and some of you are saying maybe I should go live while doing the marathon, and I've been thinking about it. Normally, from my practice, we've done 8 kilometers, and it takes us roughly 58 minutes or 1 hour and a few seconds. So I know 10 kilometers will take me roughly 1 hour and maybe a few minutes. So that is the exact time I normally have my live. I will try my best to see if I can go live while running the marathon. And you guys let me know if you'd want to join me on my first marathon and run with me. Kindly comment if I get enough of you who would want to join in and who would wake up early that morning to run with me. Then I will take it upon myself to go live. I don't know how that is going to work out, but it's a challenge that I'm willing to take on if I have the support of you guys. So comment on this video if you'd want me to go live tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. and I will get my data ready. I'll charge my phone fully. I'll get my stand ready, and hopefully I'll be able to go live. Even though I know there are so many people who registered for this marathon, we might be really many in 10 kilometers, but I am making a commitment if you guys are willing to come along with me. Have you ever run a marathon before? I know it's not 21 kilometers or 42 kilometers, but we start somewhere. 10 kilometers is still okay. It's still okay. So have you ever run a marathon before? Are you a sport enthusiast? Are you an athletics enthusiast like I've become recently? Let me know. Give me tips to get ready for tomorrow, and cheer me, encourage me, motivate me for my first marathon. Yeah. I need to do my laundry. The weather is very, very crazy. I'm even thinking whether I should actually do the laundry today or maybe postpone it to next week, because it rained in the morning, it's very chilly, and I don't know if my clothes will dry. Anyway, you guys have a good weekend, and I will catch you on tomorrow's live while on the track. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If not tomorrow, then we will connect on our usual live on Monday. Remember to give this video a like. Leave a nice comment, encouraging words on the comment section as I prepare and get ready for my first marathon. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. Have your notification bell on so that you'll be notified when I go live. Otherwise, I wish you guys a very, very lovely weekend, and enjoy your day.